चाहिँ मदन आवासीय माध्यमिक विद्यालय भरतपुर 25 सूर्यनगरबाट आएका हौँ र म एसएससीको छात्रा हुँदाहुँदै नेसनल सस्टेनेबल टुरिज्म क्लबको अध्यक्ष पनि हुँ र तपाईँको परिचय दिनको लागि चाहिँ म अनुरोध गर्न सक्छु।
Namaste. My name is Baburam Mahato. I am senior naturalist of Riverbank Jungle Resort, Udom Garden, Chittagong. And foremost, welcome to Riverbank Jungle Resort, Udom Garden, Chittagong, on behalf of staffs and from our side. Alright. And in Riverbank Jungle Resort, there are altogether 46 rooms. Among them, we have 12 villas, which is also called family villas, 24 super deluxe rooms, 8 deluxe and 2 suite villa. And rooms are all around, which you have already seen, right? And which is given by after-comers. And in each room there are 2 bottles of water, which is complimentary and provided by the resort. All right. And there are tea coffee makers also in the room. And actually the guests come to the Riverbank Jungle Resort to do miscellaneous activities, such as we have here jeep safari. We do jeep safari, boat ride, jungle walk, and we also visit to crocodile breeding center. Right. And in Nepal, there are 12 national parks. And may I allow to ask you a question? May I? Do you have any idea what's the first established national park in the whole world?
Of course, Chittagong National Park.
No. In the world.
In the world.
In the world, yes. Go ahead. Yeah, absolutely right. Yellowstone. It's in United States, right? It was established in 1872. And similarly, the Chittagong National Park is the first established national park in Nepal. And it was established 1973, right? In Nepali year 2030. These are these. And size of the park is 900. Go ahead. 952.63 square kilometers. 952.63 square kilometers. Okay, and the World Heritage Site declared by the UNESCO in 1984. So the Chittagong National Park is a World Heritage property, and you might have seen already crocodiles on the bank of the river. Did you see crocodiles? Yes. Do you know the name of the crocodiles? No? No, it's not alligator. Crocodiles and alligators are not the same. Crocodiles are much larger, more aggressive, and they have, and alligators are smaller. They have U-shaped jaw. Their teeth can't be easily seen when the jaw is fully closed. That's the difference between alligator and crocodile. And in the world, there are 23 recognized species of extant crocodilians. Alright? And divided into 3 families. They are called Alligatorida family, as you said, Crocodilida family, and Gavilida family. The crocodile which you have already seen, it is in Crocodilida family. It is called Mars mugger. Mars means marshland. Mugger means mugging, attacking. It has got short and broad snout like an alligator, and it's everything. But other one, also we have crocodile in this national park. We have also conservation breeding center, crocodile conservation breeding center. It is called Ghadial Conservation Breeding Center, and critically endangered species declining day by day from the world. That's called Ghadial, and the Ghadial has 110 teeth, interlocking razor sharp teeth in its long and thin snout, which helps them to catch the fish its main diet. Hence the name fish-eating crocodile. Alright? and it's as I said you earlier, it's critically endangered species. And so that we have crocodile breeding center. You might have visited inside the national park. It was established in 1978 by the help of Frankfurt Zoological Society. Because in 1977, that species really counted in the world, all right? At that time, they found only 200 in the world. But its number here in Chittor National Park was estimated to be around only 57, nearly extincted. So that to save this species from extinction, that breeding center was established. All right, and in that breeding center there are 5 pools. They are called old hatching pools, rearing pools, early pools, nursery pools, and one is called yearling pools. And when crocodiles reach the size up to 2 meters in the length, or by the age of 5 to 6 years, they release them back into nature. Every year they release them. But before release, because in the breeding center they feed on only dead fishes. And the interesting thing is that they do not chew the fish, crocodiles. Instead, they swallow the fish from head to tail because their tongue is not like ours. And their tongue is not movable, attached, and can't swallow the fish from tail because of the scale of the fish as well, right? And in the river, in the pond, and if they catch the fish like this, okay, they throw the fish in the ear. They make the head first and swallow it. So in the breeding center, they feed on only dead fishes. Before release them, they bring the crocodiles, they put the crocodiles in one pool, all right? And at the time, staff of the breeding center, they give live fish to crocs, to crocodiles, and they learn how to hunt, hunting method. And again, management committee of that breeding center, at first they release crocodiles in enclosure circular fence of the elephant grass, made of elephant grass, on the bank of the river, but in the shallow water, and tiny fishes goes inside the holes, inside the fence through the tiny holes. And crocodiles learn how to hunt, hunting method over there as well. And they stay inside the fence up to 3 months. Eventually, at the end, they demolish the fence, break the fence, because the fence is weak and go to nature. This is the release procedure, and as of now, up to now, about 1,950 crocodiles have been already released from that breeding center in different river systems of Nepal. Okay, that's about the crocodile. And in Chittor National Park, you can see 3 different kinds of vegetation. You might have heard sal. Have you ever heard sal tree? About 80% of the park's area is covered by sal. And we have grassland. About 12% of the park's area is covered with grassland. And a river and forest, 8%. And the Chittor National Park is famous for its protection of the endangered rhino, greater horned rhinoceros, the real crocodile, Bengal tiger, bear, bisons. Have you ever seen rhino?
Yes.
We just saw
Where? Do you know the scientific name of the rhino?
Rhinoceros unicorn.
Yes, absolutely right. Rhinoceros unicornis. Uni means one. Cornis means horn. And weight of the horn is about 800 grams to 1 kilograms. And rhino horns are not made of bone, but made of pure keratin. Alright? Keratin is the same type of protein that our hair and fingernails are made of. And according to the recent rhino census in Nepal, there are 752 rhinos, but we have here 694 in this national park, and mostly here. Do you have any questions?
अहिले चाहिँ हाल नेपालमा हेर्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ प्राय युवाहरू नेपालमा जागिर गर्नुभन्दा बढी बाहिरमा पलाइरहेका छन् नि त। युवाहरूको लागि चाहिँ यस होटलमा चाहिँ केही रोजगारहरू दिन सक्नुहुन्छ या सक्नुहुँदैन हजुरहरूले?
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली किनकि हामीले चाहिँ कस्तो भने जुन सिटीभिटीबाट आइरहेको एट फर्स्ट दे निड टु बी कन्सियस होइन एन्ड दे हेभ टु नो द knowledge of the Chittor National Park and they have to, when the guest comes exactly, when guest comes here, actually this, as I said earlier, actually this guest come here to see the animals, but we have to give them fact information about the animals. If you go to Sauraha, some of the guides, they don't give the fact information, they lie, some of them. That's not good, but this actually there are a lot of possibility to survive from the tourism and more.
You have any? Go on.
वान क्वेसन, यो होटेल हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदम आकर्षित पनि छ है, पर्यटनको लागि एकदम आकर्षित, भित्र हेर्दा पनि एकदम सफा राम्रो छ र यो चाहिँ बजेट पिपलको लागि चाहिँ एकदम एक्सपेन्सिभ नै छ नि त। बजेटमा आउन चाहिँ कति गाह्रै हुन्छ नि बजेटमा मान्छेहरूलाई, त्यसको लागि चाहिँ बजेटमै हुने खालको रुमहरू एभाइलेबल खालको छ।
We have 4 categories room here, होइन मैले चाहिँ हजुरलाई अघि नै भनिसकेँ 4 टाइप्स अफ रुम छ। जसले चाहिँ स्विट भिला, इट्स टु एक्सपेन्सिभ। आफ्टर द स्विट भिला वी हैव 12 फ्यामिली भिलाज त्यसपछि छ, अनि त्यसपछि आफ्टर द फ्यामिली भिलाज वी हेभ 24 सुपर डिलक्स रुम छ। त्योभन्दा सस्तो चाहिँ डिलक्स रुम छ। अब गेस्टहरूलाई अब कस्तो कुन बस्नु मन पराउँछ, एक्चुअली गेस्टहरू के कसरी आउँछ भने गेस्टहरू कुनै चाहिँ बुक भएर आउँछ जङ्गल प्लानमा आएको। अब कस्तो भने हामीले एनी हाउ उनीहरूले एक्टिभिटिज दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ। जस्तै हामीसँग यहाँ बोट सफारी छ, बोट जङ्गल वाक, जिप सफारी, थारू कल्चर डान्स, सायद आज भएन नेक्स्ट टाइम हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ थारू कल्चर डान्स। त्यो चाहिँ अनि त्यसपछि नेक्स्ट डेमा स्लाइड सो एबाउट फ्लोरा एन्ड फाउना अफ चित्तोर नेसनल पार्कको बारेमा गेस्टहरूलाई एबाउट यो हजुरको 65 to 70 मिनटको हुन्छ स्लाइड सो प्रेजेन्टेसन, होइन त्यो चाहिँ दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ। त्यो चाहिँ अब कुनै गेस्टहरू चाहिँ बिबी प्लान, बिबी भनेको बेड एन्ड ब्रेकफास्ट प्लानमा आएको हुन्छ। अब तिनीहरूले एक्टिभिटिज गर्छु भनेको हुन्छ, होइन अब तिनीहरूले त्यो अनुसारले रिजनेबल प्राइसमा चाहिँ लान सकिन्छ। तिनीहरूले चाहिँ फेरि अब स्टार्टिङमा त्यति एक्सपेन्सिभ पनि छैन, होइन खास गरी हजुरको गेस्टहरूले एट्र्याक्सन गर्नको लागि भ्यू चाहिन्छ, राप्ती भ्यू। के अरे हजुरको यो होटल राम्रो भएर मात्र भएन, यदि त्यहाँ चाहिँ हजुरको भ्यू छ, भ्यू पारि अब ग्रासल्यान्ड छ। आफ्टर द ग्रासल्यान्ड देयर इज अ रिभर एन्ड फरेस्ट भनेको यो भनेको सुनमा सुगन्ध हो, किनकि यु हेभ अलरेडी सिन द क्रोकोडाइल फ्रम द डेड, है यु क्यान सी द डिफ्रेन्ट टाइप्स अफ बर्ड्स अल्सो फ्रम द डेड। मेबी यु हेभ अलरेडी सिन द चकेवा। Have you ever heard Chakewa?
Yes.
In English it is, do you know what it's called in English, Chakewa? It is called Rhodesian duck. It is also called Siberian duck. It is also called love duck. Do you know why it is called love duck? Yes, of similar tribe, they are there for life. And it is believed if one member of the couple dies, another one have been known to commit suicide. एउटा मर्ने सती जाने प्रथा स्टिल है त्यसमा चाहिँ यही नै हो।
थ्याङ्क यू।
वेलकम।
थ्याङ्क यू। यति भन्दै हामी चाहिँ यहाँबाट चाहिँ बिदा हुन चाहन्छौँ।
वेलकम।
अरू टाइममा पनि आएर भिजिट गर्नेछौँ हामी यो प्लेसलाई।
वेलकम एन्ड होप टु सी यु अगेन।
Thank you.